Hello, everyone. This is Anna from Sweet Lasteen's Desserts for All Occasions, better known as the Dessert Queen. Today, I'm going to give you some baking tips for baking your cake. Number one, when baking a cake with fruit in it, let them stand overnight before serving them. This helps the flavor meld together, and they will taste much better the next day. Make sure you cover it with saran wrap. Number two, wait at least 20 minutes before you open the oven to check on your cake. Opening the oven changes the temperature of the oven. And number three, make sure you scrape the bowl. Sometimes the beaters don't reach areas toward the bottom. Number four is to make sure you preheat the oven. Make sure it is completely preheated before you put your cake in it. Number five, make sure to check your baking soda and your baking powder. They are not good indefinitely. Write the dates on the container when you open them. 6, don't worry about getting that flat top on your cake. Let the cake bake up normally and just use a cake leveler to cut the dome off, and you can even use a serrated knife. Number 7, use a magic line pan. Your cake will come out evenly baked every time. Number 8, did you know you can freeze your baked cakes? Number 9, cool your cake at least 10 minutes in the pan. It can be a bit longer for a bundt can or a larger cake. If they stay in any longer, you will have problems getting that cake out of the pan. And number 10 is when you are adding chocolate chips or fruit bits into your cake batter, coat them with flour to keep them from sinking to the bottom. 11, don't overbeat a scratch cake batter. It can make it dense or it could fall. 12, don't slam the door on your oven. 13, if you have an oven light, don't leave it on. 14, when measuring flour, don't pack it down into the measuring cup. If you pack it down, you will add too much flour to your cake. 15, prepare your pan so you will have successful cakes. 16, check your oven temperature. Invest in an oven thermometer. 17, when trying to get cold butter to come to room temperature, cut it into smaller chunks so it will warm up quicker. 18, room temperature ingredients mix better than cold ingredients. Number 19, don't adjust the cake recipe unless you really experience or feeling lucky. Number 20, if you don't have enough cake flour, you can add cornstarch to make your own. You want to take out 2 tablespoons of the flour, and then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it well. Don't substitute baking powder or baking soda. They are not interchangeable. 22, use a paddle beater if possible. Add almond extract to vanilla cake. It really brings out the flavor of that vanilla. 24, you can substitute buttermilk by using 1 cup of regular milk minus 1 tablespoon, and then you're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice and let it stand for 5 minutes. 25, you can let butter get to almost room temperature and then put it in your batter. It warms up when mixed. 26, just have fun in your baking. Thanks for listening to my tips. I'm so glad you're here. It's fairly obvious. I love cakes and really any kind of desserts. I see cake ideas in virtually everything around me, and I love trying new flavor combinations. I am glad you are here, and I am excited to share my ideas with you. This is Anna from Sweet Lasteen's Desserts for All Occasions, the Dessert Queen, signing off. Okay, let's bake.